दहावीतील पहिलाच भागामध्ये सिमिलॅरिटी हा भाग समजून घेणार आहोत. चॅप्टर फर्स्ट. तोपर्यंत आपल्याला एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल सगळ्यांना माहिती आहे. माहिती आहे सगळ्यांना. एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल इज इक्वल टू 1/2 इंटू बेस इंटू हाईट. हा फॉर्म्युला आपल्याला सगळ्यांना माहिती आहे. आता याच्यावरनं आपल्याला एक महत्त्वाचा भाग समजून घ्यायचा आहे, तो म्हणजे रेशोज ऑफ एरियाज ऑफ टू ट्रायंगल्स. Ratios of areas of two triangles. In figure there are two triangles. One is triangle ABC, another is triangle PQR. In that first triangle, BC is the base and AD is height. Then in second triangle, QR is base and PS is height. So we take a ratio of these two triangles, that is area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle PQR is equal to, we know that by formula 1/2 base into height. So 1/2 into BC into AD divided by 1/2 into QR into PS. 1/2 get cancelled, then we get BC means we take B1, AD means height, that is H1, divided by QR, base of another triangle, that is B2, and height of another triangle, that is H2. So we know that area of triangle ABC by area of triangle PQR is equal to B1 into H1 divided by B2 into H2. This is our first equation. So we learn in that ratios of areas of two triangles is equal to the product of the ratios of base and height respectively, right? आता आपण याच्यावरनं काही कंडिशन समजून घेऊ. म्हणजे काही वेळेस हाईट सारखी असेल, काही वेळेस बेस सारखा असेल, काही वेळेस दोघं सारखे असतील, तर काय येऊ शकतं त्याच्यासाठी फर्स्ट कंडिशन, इफ द हाईट्स ऑफ both triangles are equal, then look in figure, height is given h, both are same. We know the ratio of that triangle is the area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle PQR is equal to, from equation first, B1 into H divided by B2 into H, because H is same, so H get cancelled, then we get B1 by B2. मग याच्यावर काय प्रॉपर्टी शिकलोत आपण, the ratio of areas of two triangles with equal heights is equal to the ratio of their corresponding bases. So we have to write property in this way, the ratio of areas of two triangles with equal heights, this is the condition, equal heights is equal to the ratio of their corresponding bases. This is our first property. Now look in condition 2. Here in figure, triangle ABC and triangle ABP. In that, AB is the base and base is always same, and height CD for first triangle ABC and height PQ for second triangle ABP. Height different but base is same. So the condition is if the bases of both triangles are equal. If the bases of both triangles are equal, then you write area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle ABP is equal to base into height. So base is AB into height H1 divided by base of triangle ABP is again AB and height is H2. Here AB get cancelled, so we get H1 by H2, means the ratio of areas of two triangles with equal bases is equal to the ratio of their corresponding heights. So write here property in this way: the ratio of areas of two triangles with equal bases is equal to the ratio of their corresponding heights. Now this is first equation, this is second equation, and this is third equation. Again condition 3. Look carefully. There are again two triangles. Suppose ABC and another is PQR. Base B and height H. Here also base B and height H. So area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle PQR is equal to 1/2 into base into height divided by 1/2 into base into height. So all terms get cancelled, we get 1 by 1. By taking cross multiplication, area of triangle ABC is equal to area of triangle PQR. This is our another condition, that is condition number 3. So we learn today these three conditions. First of all, we take first height is common, that time the ratio is related to corresponding bases, and when base is common, that time the ratio of their triangles is corresponding to its heights, and when both are same, then that both triangles, area of that both triangles are always equal. These are the three conditions. So Today we learn ratios of areas of two triangles. Thank you.